guys, me again Ashley, and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, since some of you wanted to know how I do my messy bun, so for today's video I'm going to be teaching you how I do a messy bun in my own perspective. So typically, since I have a kind of like curly hair today guys, I decided to it makes it more puffy and puffy when you have a messy bun when you have puffy hair. So technically, first I have to do is you have to put in a ponytail like this. Oh, bear with me, okay? So ponytail. Now you have to go on maybe a hair tie and do like this. Knit the whole way, and then you twist your bun and do like a like this type of thing. When you stretch it out a little, I think you stretch it out more because you have a long hair. And technically the left one, you have to split it to halfway and then you twist it together. And technically, I put the extra one, you put it at the back of the hairstyle and then clip in the hairstyle. Some of you might be like, need some hairpins. There's some on the front that you usually just put it in like one, clip in the, and then some strands of hair. Oh, there's a little one over here again. And then some strands over here. I technically have a long baby hairs guys, so I think it's easy for me to pull them out. See? Maybe stretch the top one a little. Make it more bigger. See? The back, stretch it out. That's how I do my messy bun. That's why it's called a messy bun, guys, because technically it's like a random thing that you have to cleanse. That's why mine is not that perfect. I also have other guys. I have another one that is more easier to run. You don't have to be that perfect. Okay, the other one is technically the same thing. You go in your ponytail, and then you hold the end one, the end of your hair. You put it like this, like this, and you do it like a hair. You tie your hair like a hair tie. Okay. And then like this. Even though it's like corn in the end, guys, it's okay. It's okay. And you still have to pull it out, guys, to make it more fluffy. And if you don't want that corn, just go on the end ones. See? Make it more puffy. Oh, I actually like the one that turns out, guys. Look at that. It's so perfect. Mine used to be like, the one that I use is literally small when I do this. But today, it's actually making it look nice to me. It's being nice. My hair is being nice for me. See it.
Ginagawa mo.
It's ugly. There, guys. And you don't have to really funny if you don't like it. So we just have to. It's perfect, isn't it, guys? I'm gonna shake one. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Yeah, that's how I make my buns. 2 buns, technically. My masterpiece. I just call it messy bun because people call it messy buns. It's a fan, Brian. So, thank you guys. Bye, guys. See you guys in my next one.